Hello you awesome bunch, Josh here with another vaporizer tutorial. In this video we're going to take a look at the Source Orb 4 Premium Kit. This unit is a wax vaporizer meant for your shatter, resin, or any waxy oils. Inside the box you will find one Source Orb attachment and the battery, 1 quart single coil atomizer, 1 quartz double coil atomizer, 1 white ceramic double coil atomizer, 1 black ceramic double coil atomizer, 1 ceramic coil-less atomizer, 1 source nail coil-less titanium atomizer, 1 USB charger, 1 DAP tool, 1 silicone wax container, 1 cleaning cloth, 1 wall adapter, and ordering with us you will receive a free gift. Here are some cool features about this unit that you should know. It is a 510 thread battery, comes with 6 advanced atomizers, offers variable airflow system, uses a magnetic lock technology, it has 9 variable voltage temperature settings, and a lifetime warranty. To use the Source Orb 4, attach the magnetic atomizer housing onto the unit, take the mouthpiece off and screw on your desired atomizer. The Source Orb 4 Premium comes with 6 atomizers, 4 coil atomizers and 2 coil-less atomizers. Place your wax, concentrate, shatter, or resin inside the atomizer using the provided dabbing tool. Be careful filling the coil atomizers as you can damage them. Make sure to gently place your material on the coil. Turn the unit on by pressing the on button 5 times and press and hold the button to vaporize. Press the on button 5 times and repeat the same to turn the unit off. The Source Orb 4 Premium has 9 different voltage settings, ranging from 2.7 volts to 4.2 volts. The lower the voltage, the lower the heat setting, and the less vapor will be produced. Coil atomizers tend to produce more vapor, and the coil-less atomizers tend to produce better flavor. This is it for this unit, and thank you for watching this video, and hopefully you find it useful. If you already have this unit, please share your thoughts about this unit in the comment section below, and if you are looking for information about this unit, make sure to check out our links in the description below.